Hello everyone. Today we are discussing some important multiple choice questions of chemistry for your exams preparation such as SSC, Railway, NEET, etc. are provided here. These questions are based on topic like atomic structure, periodic table, chemical bonding and chemistry in everyday life, etc. These questions are essential for cracking competitive exams. So, focusing on fundamental concept and previous year questions. Let's start it. MCQ of chemistry. What is the smallest unit of an element that retains the properties of that element? There are four options: molecule, atom, ion, or electron. Which is the right option? Please, you all answer this question as well. B is the right answer. Atom is the right answer. Atom is the smallest unit of an element that retains the properties of that elements. Which sub which subatomic particles has a positive charge? There are four options: electron, neutron, proton, photon. Which option is right option? You all answer this question as well. आप लोग भी इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर दें. There are C is the right option. Proton is the right answer. Photon has positive charge. The atomic number of an element is equal to the number of protons, neutrons, electrons, protons and neutrons. Which is the right option? A is the right option. Proton is the right answer. Which of the following is a molecule? There are four options: Na, O2, Cl or He. Who is a molecule? B is the right option. O2 is a molecule. What type of bond is formed when electrons are shared between atoms? Ionic bond, covalent bond, metallic bond or hydrogen bond? Which option is right? B is the right option. Covalent bond is formed when electrons are shared between atoms. Covalent bond is the right option. Right answer. Which particle has no electron charge? Electron, proton, neutron or positron? Which option is right? Please you all answer this question as well. C is the right answer. Neutron. Neutron has no electric charge. The mass number of an atom is the sum of protons and electrons, photons and neutrons, neutrons and electrons, electrons only. Which is the right option? B is the right option. The mass number of an atom is the sum of protons and neutrons. Which of the following elements is a noble gas? Oxygen, nitrogen, argon, or hydrogen? There are four options. Which option is right? Guys, please you all answer this question as well. C is the right option. Argon is a noble gas. What is the charge of an electron? Positive, negative, neutral, or variable? Which is the right option? B is the right option. The charge of an electron is negative. Which of the following represents a compound? O2, H2, H2O, or N2? Which is represents a compound? C is the right answer. H2O is represents a compound. What is the chemical formula of water? H2, O2, H2O, yeah, HO. Which option is right in four options? C is the right option. H2O is the formula of water. Which scientist proposed the planetary model of atom? Dalton, Thomas, Rutherford, or Bohr? Right option is D. Bohr. Mr. Niels Henrik David Bohr belongs to Denmark, is the planetary model of atom. Is proposed the planetary model of atom. What is the charge of a proton? Negative, positive, neutral, or none? Which option is right? B is the right option. The charge of a proton is positive. Which of the following is an example of an ionic compound? H2O, NaCl, O2 or CO2? Which is the right option? B is the right option. NaCl. NaCl is an example of an ionic compound. What is the center of an atom called? Electron cloud, nucleus, orbital or shell? What is the center of an atom? B is the right option. Nucleus is the center of an atom. Which particle determines the identity of an element? Electron, neutron, proton or ion? Which is right option? C is the right option. Proton. Proton is identity of an element. What is the charge of a neutron? Positive, negative, neutral, या variable? Which is right option? The charge of a neutron is neutral. C is right option. Which of the following is a diatomic molecule? Which of the following is a diatomic molecule? CO2, H2, H2O या CH4? Which option is right? B is the right option. H2. H2 is a diatomic molecule. What is the chemical symbol for carbon? Ca, Ce, Co या Cl? What is the chemical symbol for carbon? There are four options: Ca, C, Co or Cl. C is the symbol for carbon. B is the right option. Which subatomic particle has the least mass? Which subatomic particles has the least mass? Proton, neutron, electron या positron? Which option is right? C is the right option. Electron. Electron has the least mass. What is the valency of oxygen? valency of oxygen? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Which option is right? B is the right option. 2. Valency of oxygen is 2. Which of the following is a molecule made of two different elements? O2, N2, CO or H2? Which option is right? C is the right option. CO is made of two different elements, carbon and oxygen. What is the atomic mass unit? Approximately equal to mass of a proton, mass of an electron, mass of a neutron, both A and C. Which option is right option? Please guys, you all answer this question as well. D is right option. Both A and C. Which scientist is known for the discovery of the electron? Rutherford, Thomas, Dalton or Bohr? Which option is right? B is right option. Thomas is known for the discovery of the electron. What is the chemical formula for carbon dioxide? CO, CO2, C2O or O2C? Which option is right? Which chemical formula of carbon dioxide? B is the right option. CO2 is the chemical formula of carbon dioxide. B is the right option. Which of the following is a property of metals? Poor conductor of electricity, malleable, brittle or dull? Which option is right? B is right option. Malleable is property of metals. B is the right option. What type of bond is formed by the transfer of electrons? Covalent, ionic, metallic or hydrogen? Which option is right? B is the right option. Ionic. Ionic is formed by the transfer of electrons. Which of the following is an example of a noble gas? Noble gas is very important gas. Which option is right? Neon, nit- nitrogen, oxygen, or hydrogen? Which option is right? There are 7 noble gas in chemistry: helium, neon, argon, krypton, radon, or xenon. Xenon and synthetic element. A is the right answer. Neon is noble gas. What is the electron configuration of hydrogen? 1, 1s1, 2s1, 1p1. Which option is right? What is the electron configuration of hydrogen? B is the right option. 1s1. Which of the following is a polyatomic molecule? O2, H2, NH3 या Cl2? Which is a polyatomic molecule? C is the right option. NH3 is a polyatomic molecule. What is the charge on a chloride ion? +1, -1, 0 या +2? What is the charge on a chloride ion? B is the right answer. -1 is the charge on a chloride ion. Which element has atomic number 1? Helium, hydrogen, oxygen या carbon? Which has atomic number 1? B is the right option. Hydrogen has atomic number 1. What is the shape of a water molecule? Linear, bent, tetrahedral, trigonal, planar? What is the shape of a water molecule? B is the right option. Bent is the shape of a water molecule. Which of the following is a metalloid? Which of the following is a metalloid? Silicon, oxygen, sodium, or chlorine? Silicon. Silicon is a metalloid. A is the right option. What is the main component of the nucleus? Electrons, protons and neutrons. Protons only, neutrons only. Which option is right? B is the right option. Main component of the nucleus is protons and neutrons. Which of the following is a characteristic of ionic compounds? High melting points, low melting points, poor conductors when molten, soft and malleable. Which option is right? A is the right option. High melting points. High melting points is a characteristic of ionic compounds. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? S, Na, So or Sn. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Chemical symbol for sodium is Na. B is right option. Which of the following is an example of a covalent compound? NaCl, H2O, MgO or CaCl2. Which is the example of a covalent compound? B is the right option. H2O. H2 is a covalent compound. What is the charge of an ion formed by losing one electron? +1, -1, 0 or +2? Which option is right? A is the right option. +1 is the charge of an ion formed by losing one electron. Which of the following elements is a halogen? Neon, chlorine, argon, helium. Which element is a halogen? B is the right option. Chlorine is an element of halogen. What is the atomic number of carbon? 6, 12, 14 or 8? Which option is right? A is the right option. The atomic number of carbon is 6. Which of the following is a property of a non-metals? Good conductors of heat, malleable, dull appearance, high melting points. Which is a property of non-metals? Guys, please you all answer this question as well. C is the right option. Dull appearance is a property of non-metals. What is the chemical formula of methane? CH4, C2H6, CO2 or H2O? Which is the chemical formula of methane? A is the chemical formula of methane. CH4. A option is right. Which scientist proposed the atomic theory? Dalton, Rutherford, Thomas, or Bohr? A is the right option. John Dalton is proposed atomic theory. What is the charge of an ion formed by gaining one electron? +1, -1, 0, या +2? Which option is right? B is the right option. -1 is the charge of an ion formed by gaining one electron. Which of the following is a noble gas? Fluorine, neon, oxygen, or nitrogen? Which is a noble gas? B is the right option. Neon is a noble gas. What is the chemical formula of ammonia? Ammonia. NH3, H2O, CH4 or CO2? What is the chemical formula of ammonia? A is the right option. NH3 is the chemical formula of ammonia. Which of the following is a characteristic of metals? Poor conductors of electricity, malleable and ductile, brittle, or dull? Which option is right? B is the right option. Malleable and ductile. What is the atomic mass of an element? Number of protons, number of neutrons, sum of protons and neutrons, number of electrons. Guys, please you all answer this question. C is the right option. Sum of protons and neutrons is the atomic mass of an element. Which of the following is a diatomic element? Helium, nitrogen, neon, or argon? Which is a diatomic element? B is the right option. Nitrogen is a diatomic element. So, today we completed 50 important MCQ of chemistry in this manner, which are quite important. Thank you.